Today we're going to set up your interactive notebook. The things that you're going to need in order to get started is a writing utensil. I'm using a pen for this particular piece of the notebook, and that is the setup. However, when it comes to you turning in work, you can only turn in work with a pencil. You're going to need a pair of scissors. You're going to need a glue stick. Now the glue stick is very important. If you have the liquid glue, I prefer that you don't use it in the notebook because it tends to get messy when you're gluing in worksheets. So the glue stick is the best solution for gluing down whatever handouts that we have. And then you're going to need whatever worksheets that I've given you so far. I think that we should have 2 at this point. And then the most important piece will be your composition notebook. All right. It is okay if you have a spiral notebook. I just need something that you can only house mathematics in. Okay. It only can be utilized for mathematics. All right. So the first page is going to be our title page. And if you notice, I've already labeled my title page. You're going to write down Math 8, which is the title of our class. This academic school year, 2013 through 2014. You're going to write down whatever class period that you are in my classroom. And you're going to write down my name. And if you're in a class with me and Mrs. Young, what you're going to do is you're going to write down both of our names. Okay? You're going to write down Mrs. Arnold and Ms. Young. And then this section will be reserved for you to write a paragraph about you. So whenever I take up your notebook, I can read it and figure out, okay, what can I do to incorporate something in class that this particular person likes, or that is based off of a fact of you. So go ahead and write me a small paragraph. You can definitely look at my and Mrs. Young's example that we did on the very first day of school. The next page will be your table of contents. All right. You're going to title it Table of Contents, and then you're going to use this line to separate the page number from the topic. So if you don't have the information that is needed, you can look at the blog to get the other information that is going to be needed to fill in what we've done so far, and that will be located on the blog. The next page will also be a part of the table of contents, okay? The next page will be for the syllabus. This page will be for the rules. Our goals are next. And then we're going to make a pocket for the next page. I'm going to demonstrate to you how to make the pocket. You're going to take the right side and fold it under. You're going to take the glue stick and you're just going to glue down the sides here, from here to here. Do not put glue in this area because it will glue down the pocket. And then you're going to simply fold it over. So that way you will have a pocket here. Next to the pocket, you're going to have the handout. The last step is to to write the page numbers. You can choose the top or the bottom, it doesn't matter. But this pocket will be page 1, this is page 2, and you're going to number so forth and so on. This is 3, this is 4, and you're going to keep going. I prefer you get the first 25 completed. If you have the second worksheet, that goes onto page 4. Okay? And the second worksheet is what you received on Friday. You are all set up. See you tomorrow.